Hello everyone, welcome back to SK Crypto. I wanted to show you guys today. Yesterday actually I made a video on Dogecoin on what I expect the price to do. Um, you know, as soon as the as soon as it hits the Coinbase Pro. What I expected, if you go back and look at my last video on Dogecoin, you'd see it went from 31 cent all the way up to 44 cent, and then it was going sideways between 40 cent and 43 44 cent. I expected this today to come down in 30s cents. um if you're looking for further updates to that, I do see this go even below that. If I do a basic analysis, it's quite close. I guess I'm not sure if it's gonna, tumble back into 20s, 20 cents. However, we may see, 33, 34 cent wick. Um, so so this is the 200 week EMA. If you see, it came down and perfectly touched it. Um, when we were kind of below it, we kind of stayed below it for a while when it starts to come below it. So it'll be interesting to see if it falls below it in the next few days. If it does, you can expect, you know, similar price action where the prices stay down for a while, go sideways. If you're interested in Dogecoin, and considering it a long-term perspective, which given that Elon's been working hard at it, could be a very good long-term project. Uh, these Once it comes back in 20 cents, it may not be a bad idea to buy some. Look, we had a wick at 19 cent. Um, I do expect this to come down to 25, 26 cent again. Might not be a bad idea to put your buy order in there. Just want to quickly see. Let's have a look. Fibonacci retracement tool. Where does this tell us? Yeah, so look, this is a strong support right there. At this level, a lot of resistance right there. So I think this level right there at 28 cent is pretty good. Um, it did come down, and then the next level would be 15 cent one. So we may not see 8 cent or 7 cent Dogecoin, but if you wanna buy it for a long term perspective, yeah, you could consider putting a buy order in this range. Um, I would I would suggest don't FOMO into it again. Things always pull back, so you don't think, oh, it's gone, I've missed the boat. Just be patient. Um, and even if the candle doesn't close below it, I do expect to see a wick down here in 20 cents. Um, so keep an eye on that. For a short term update, in the next day or so, it looks like we are going down, as I said. We may see 30, 31 cent Dogecoin in the next day or so. The other important thing to keep an eye on is what Bitcoin's doing, right? So all these altcoins cannot correspond to what the Bitcoin price action looks like. Bitcoin, some of you may know, and a lot of you may not know. Um, as soon as the new candle hit, the price basically was a little over 39,000. Um, and there was an options expiry actually for Bitcoin at 39,000. The max pain price was 39,000. So the Bitcoin was, um, roaming around 39,400 or 500, something like that. I knew it's not gonna go beyond that. I actually shorted as well. I was expecting it to pull back and hit 39,000. So max pain basically is the point where the longs and the short both loses. So what I'm looking at now, currently it's at 37,000. Um, to go back up to 39,000, I want to see what percentage. So it's 37.8 right now as an example, or if you take this price to hit back to 39,000, it needs to go up by approximately 3.8%. So what I do expect, Doge or all the other coins, by tomorrow around this time, give and take. So it's been, I guess, a couple hours since the start of the new day, new candle. To Doge, in terms of Dogecoin price, regardless of where it is, you know, you gotta see. So currently it's at 38 cent. If you go up like by 3%, somewhere there. So I guess it does take us not much, but 39 cent, 40 cent. It may come back up, right? So regardless of where it is. So in the next few hours. So that's how I see it. I actually, shorted as well. I knew it's not gonna go beyond, Bitcoin's not gonna go beyond that, 39, 40,000 mark. Um, so if you're trading, again, it's not guaranteed. It has played out like that in the last few days. So if you want to short it, to me, the I see a lot of these YouTube videos. Oh, the bull market isn't over. People claiming they're in a long position, which I absolutely doubt. Um, do your own due diligence, do your own research. I feel we're still in a downtrend. If you're gonna trade it, the way I traded, I shorted from the resistance point, and do set my stop loss, because just the candles, just the candles aren't supporting the fact that we are in a bull market any longer. At least, it does tell us that we are in a consolidation mode at this point. So it's a good opportunity to, again, if you're a trader, you got to put your emotions aside and follow the trend. Trend's a friend. And the trend currently is that it's not crashing per se, but you're not gonna see a 50,000 Bitcoin the next week. Even just looking at the expiry, right? Okay, so expiry June 5th, 39,000, 11, 38,000. So you may see price movement of Bitcoin between 36 to 39 the next few days. July 30th. That's interesting actually. So the next one at July 30th is at 50,000, which is 2 months from today. So that's very much possible. That's very much in the realm of possibility. So what this is telling me is this is a good time to load up your bag. When I see August. Ooh, August is at 40,000. It will be interesting if, and again, this it's not guaranteed, right? It's not guaranteed it's gonna get there. Um, we missed the May 30th one. May 30th, I believe, was at 50,000, and we were roaming around 35, 36. We missed it. Of course, it was a long shot. It depends on where we are in mid-July. We may not see a 50,000 Bitcoin, right? Especially look at this, like in August, it's still showing a 40K. Um, Sept- in September, it's saying 40,000. I don't believe that. Um, I think from by September we may see it start to go up. Um, yeah, so this doesn't necessarily matter. It's going to play out this way, but this is a good indication. So what things you need to consider is, what the trends like right now. Trends are friend. What this is telling you. So this 39,000 looks absolutely realistic, possible today or tomorrow. So you could, if you wanna even trade it, so you can trade based on that information. Hopefully you like this video. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel. Provide your feedback. Any other currencies that you would want me to cover, and we will. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye bye.